this is my bike, and today I'll be changing it to an electric one instead of a manual one. So this is all the supplies we need to make sure this wheel is spinning. So right here inside we have a motor. This is the brain. This is the acceleration device, I guess you can say. This is where you can honk or turn on the lights. And this is just the controller for it. So I turn it on. We have this gear 1. The max is gear 5. And yeah, it doesn't go up, but it can go down. And this is the acceleration device. So if I just push this wheel starts spinning. And then every time I add this gear, this thing can go faster. Also, in addition, I said there'll be a honk and a light. So if we honk this horn, it honks. And then this is a light. And then if we click this red button, the light turns on and off. Okay. Yeah, also we have this really big battery right here. Yeah, it's pretty big. Okay. So right now, I'm wrenching this. That way we can take the wheel off this bike. So right now we have everything set up, and we're just removing this tire and putting it on here. Okay, so now the tire is on this wheel, and now we can put the chain on and put this on the bike. Okay, so now we have the chain put on. We found the right size of washers, nuts, and now we're just putting it on. So we're just screwing it in to make sure that it's locked in place. The wire put on, the tire put on, and the wheel. And now we're just going to put all the electronic parts to this. We need to drill 2 holes into this metal pipe. This is probably going to be 1 hole, and this is going to be the other. So yeah, these 2 holes. And this one as well. Now we are putting this battery onto the bike. So around here would be good. Okay, so right here we have our brain. It's supposed to fit in this little container with this cap on. So I already found a place to hold it. It's right under here, and yeah, I can start drilling it into place. Okay, so now that we have the battery connected with the brain, now all we have to do left is to connect all the wires and make sure where to put them. All of our wires are organized and spread out, so we can add this cover to the brain. Now we got rid of the grips, and we're replacing all the old mechanisms here with the new mechanisms. So now that we have everything organized and ready to go, we can start putting things on. First, I'll put this controller on this side. Next, I will put this honk on here. And lastly, I'll put one of these on. That that side's done, we can start putting this side. I would like to put my acceleration device in, so that way I can just push this and it'll go. Lastly, I would put this in as well. Turned my manual bike from going like this in order to move to going like this in order to move. So let me tell you about all different types of controls. These two controls are brakes. One is for the forward brakes, one is for the backward brakes. So second thing is this thing. We have a light which shines right here, and then if you click it again, it turns off. Second thing, we have this horn. As you can guess, it will probably honk. Yeah. Third, we have this control panel. This control panel has 3 switches, a power button, a plus, and a minus. So this plus changes this gear. Yeah, it can go max to a 5, lowest to a 0. When it's at a 0, you can't move it. When it's at a 5, it moves pretty fast. This thing, you can turn it on and off. And the last thing we have here is this. This thing is the accelerator. So if you just flick it, it will turn on to move. So yeah, there you go. This is my electric bike.